This is a 2012 Ford Focus. We'll be replacing the purge valve for the Evap system. So first thing you want to do when replacing the purge valve for the Evap purge valve is unplug it from right here. Just push the tab and obviously pull it out. So you see it here, just follow the line. Squeeze both tabs on both sides there where that green is. Squeeze it on both sides and pull up. As well as if you follow the other end, it should be located right there. Right there as well, that green part. Just squeeze both ends and pull out. And instead of removing the bracket, I'm just gonna push the rubber piece off to the side and do the same with our new piece here. And just put the rubber piece back into that bracket and pull everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, also we have our old Evap purge valve off. An easy way I found to remove it from down there. This is just pry this part, one side open, the part that's covering the inner. And then from there you can just push in the top one, which will release it. And as well as you can see, I took it off the bracket from the rubber piece. So I'm gonna go ahead with the new one. Take that rubber piece off the bracket and place it in. And just all you gotta do is just pop it in so you hear it click. So as you can see, I've got it plugged up, popped into place over there, as well as down there. Swung it into the bracket here. Just make sure when you put them in, you hear the click. After that, just plug everything up and clear the code. All right, also after clearing the code, I drove about like 10 miles or so. So now the check engine light has came back on. Also went ahead and scanned it just to be sure the code didn't come back up. So we're all good now. That's how you change the purge valve. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.